Right, okay. I'm going to explain the plot of our short film in as few words as possible. The working title is Run. Okay, so this guy, the first to appear on screen, he's after this bag. And this unfortunate fellow in the chintzy armchair right here happens to know where it is. And why unfortunate? Well, it turns out his captor is a complete psychopath. Now, this spaced out lady and her friend are also after the bag. It just so happens that said friend is in possession of it as our film starts, having stolen it from a gang of masked madmen, Mr. Incisor's captive here being one of them. It's safe to assume the guy on the chair was captured in between his gang acquiring bag and then losing it to this shady lot. As Shady Guy is returning to Shady Girl, he is accosted by the rest of the larger gang, all resembling, well, anonymous members after being blasted through the local hospice care. A chase ensues, with Glasses Man fleeing from the masked weirdos through a forest. Simultaneously to all this riveting excitement, we cut back to Madman number 1, introducing his captives metacarpals to Mr. Clawhammer. And after a few good crunches, the poor man finally divulges the location of the other characters, a forest to the east. So we cut back to the action, and Shades emerges from a tunnel into the sunlight, and is met by his partners in crime. A fast and kind of brutal scuffle ensues, which leaves almost all the White Masks dead, and both Shades and injured and exhausted. We return to the hilltop, where Tape Dude is begging for his life, and he's pleading his captor that he's not telling Porkies. The whole thing gets very unpleasant for a moment, and the sadistic blighter quiets his victim, before informing he knows he's telling the truth, and then impacting a nail into his skull. The madman then retrieves the bag from the scene of the carnage, with Shades watching him go, before passing out. Our film ends with the madman walking off into a low horizon, the bag swinging from his shoulder, implying the cycle will simply start all over again.